Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to your online classes. Today we will do EVS of class 3rd chapter 5. Okay, chapter 5 Chotu's house. Chotu's house. So, generally when we go to any other places, we see many things. Okay, we see many different things. जब हम दूसरे जगह पे जाते हैं, किसी अनजान जगह पे जाते हैं, तो हमें बहुत सी अलग अलग चीज़ें दिखाई देती है. ओके, सो हियर छोटू आल्सो व्हेन ही केम टू मुंबई फर्स्ट टाइम. ओके, व्हेन छोटू केम टू मुंबई फर्स्ट टाइम he saw many things in Mumbai. Okay, so here we will study in this page number 30. There is given many pictures. Okay, many pictures. By looking at this picture we will identify what he is thinking to show all these places, to see all these places. Okay, so when Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time, so when he came to first time Mumbai, he saw many different things. So here he came, then he observed, he saw everything. Okay, so that we will study in page number 31. उसे हम पेज नंबर 31 में पढ़ेंगे. ओके, so students, have you seen both pictures, page number 30 and page number 31? Their picture is given there, you have to see it, then we will give answer. Okay, study the pictures carefully and answer the following. So what we have to do, we have to see all the pictures in both page. Okay, then we have to give the answer of given question. So first number जो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन दिए है उसे आपको पिक्चर देख के आंसर लिखना है. ओके, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? So when he looked at the pipe first time in page number 30, first picture here. Okay, so what he saw there, what he think it is the safest place for live. Okay, second one, how did Chotu use the pipe? So here when he saw the pipe, then how he used that pipe, what purpose he used. Okay, he used that pipe as a home. Okay, next one, into which part did Chotu divide the pipe and its surroundings area? So Chotu divided that pipe in many different parts. So first one, some of the parts he is using for sleeping, means bedroom, then some part he is using for cooking food, then drying clothes, then storing water, then one part he is using as a guest room. Okay, so that all these things we can see in page number 30 and 31 picture. ओके, पिक्चर में आपको जो जो दिख रहा है उसे आपको लिखना है कि छोटू पाइप को किस किस रूप में यूज़ कर रहा है. ओके, इन विच पार्ट ऑफ दिस हाउस विल छोटू लाइक द स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ हिज टाइम? सो इन विच पार्ट ऑफ दिस हाउसेस ही इज़ यूजिंग हिज टाइम? most of his time he is using in guest room. Okay, he is sitting and he is watching everything. Now next one, why do you think Chotu invite Monu to live with him in the pipe? Okay, so last picture we can see there, another boy he is sitting with Chotu, and why Chotu invite that Monu, means another boy? Because Monu had no place to leave Chotu. Okay, maybe Monu he didn't have any place to live. Okay, and he want to give company to Chotu. Okay, page number 32. Next one, draw a picture of your house in your notebook and color it. So here what you have to do, you have to do it by yourself. आपको अपने घर की पिक्चर आपकी कॉपी में बनाना है और उसे कलर करना है. ओके, who all live with you in your house? Who all live with you at your houses? Who is living with you? mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents also live. Okay, uncle, aunt. You can write here. Okay, next one. Chotu divided the pipe into different parts. Write the name of different parts of your houses. So here what you have to do, you have to write the different parts of your houses like drawing room, bedroom, bathroom, guest room, kitchen, toilet, study room, store room, all these things you can write. Okay, next one. How much time in a day do you spend in each पार्ट ऑफ योर हाउसेज। तो आपको ये बताना है कि आप अपने घर के जो हिस्से हैं कौन कौन से हिस्से में कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं। ओके, इज़ देयर एनी पार्ट ऑफ योर हाउसेज वेयर अ पर्टिकुलर मेंबर ऑफ योर फैमिली स्पेंड मोर टाइम। सो हियर आपके घर में कोई ऐसे पार्ट है, घर का ऐसा पोर्शन है जहाँ पर केवल पर्टिकुलर कुछ ही लोग वहाँ पर अपना समय बिताते हैं। You have to write it. Okay, so we can take the example of kitchen. So most of the time mama, your mother, she spend most of the time in kitchen only. Okay, is there any part of your houses where a particular family members never goes or goes for a short time। तो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है आपके घर के। ओके, is there any portion of your houses, केवल वहाँ पर कौन जाता है, कभी नहीं जाते या तो फिर कभी कभी ही जाते हैं। यू कैन राइट इट। यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट सम एनिमल्स आल्सो लिव विथ अस इन आवर हाउसेज। सो सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स दे आर आल्सो लिविंग विथ अस। हमारे साथ कुछ एनिमल्स भी हमारे साथ रहते हैं। ओके, सम ऑफ दीज एनिमल्स लिव विथ अस बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट देम टू while some are there uninvited। So some of the animals we are keeping with us as our domestic animal। कुछ एनिमल्स को हम अपने साथ रखते हैं डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स के रूप में, और कुछ एनिमल्स अनइनवाइटेड है, अनइनवाइटेड जिसे हमने इनवाइट नहीं किया लेकिन दे मेड देयर होम इन आवर हाउसेस। ओके, लाइक we can see in page number 33। Home sweet home, you always tell me mother the house belongs only to us, but how do I believe that mother when I know it belongs to many more। So here who is there, the boy is thinking that, okay, he is observing everything। So here mother is saying to another one, okay, look mother, how these mice are all playing catch catch together, and look for how these mosquitoes fly anyhow, peaceful lies the happy spider। So who are the members, who are the animals they live with us? Some of the birds, some of the animals, and like rats, mouse, mosquitoes, flies na, house flies, and lizards they are। okay, next one, and look mother at the lazy lizards, and slowly it crawls to and fro, and look at so many black ants all marching in a row, and ants also, ants na। next one, and look outside in the courtyard, the birds are all picking about just like when my sister and I sometimes fight, quarrel and shout। okay, and who are living outside the courtyard? Birds। that is why I say, dear mother, don't think this house is only ours, it is dear to us and all who live here and have been living for many years। so that boy he is thinking, ये boy क्या सोच रहा है कि ये घर हमारा ही नहीं है मम्मी, this घर is not ours, it is, this house is not only ours but many other animals who are living with us, it is their house also, ये उनका भी घर है। okay, so which one? lizards, birds, ants, mosquitoes, flies, rats। okay, draw picture of any two animals that live in our houses uninvited, write their names below and pictures। okay, so here what you have to do, you have to write the name of, you have to draw any two animals, picture of any two animals who live in our houses. Okay, मीन्स दे आर अनइनवाइटेड. उसे हमने अपने घर में इनवाइट नहीं किया है, लेकिन वे हमारे साथ आके रहने लगे हैं. लाइक मॉस्किटोज, लिजार्ड्स, like this. Okay, so you can draw here two pictures and you can write here name. Next one, how do you keep your houses clean? आप अपने घर को क्लीन कैसे रखते हैं? By washing, by cleaning, by mopping and by arranging all these things in their proper place. Okay, next one, who all help to keep your house clean? आपके हाउस को क्लीन करने में कौन हेल्प करता है? मदर, आवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स ना. वेयर डू यू थ्रो द गार्बेज ऑफ योर हाउसेज? द गार्बेज ऑफ आवर हाउसेज वेयर वी आर थ्रोइंग इन डस्टबिन. ओके, इज द एन एरिया अराउंड योर हाउस क्लीन? आपके हाउस के आसपास जो एरिया है क्या वो क्लीन है? नेक्स्ट, look how beautifully Lata's house is decorated. So generally when we are decorating our houses, हम अपने houses को कब decorate करते हैं? When is there any festival? कोई festival होता है, कोई त्यौहार होता है. Otherwise if there is any celebration, okay, like marriage, birthdays, anniversaries, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, तब हम अपने घर को क्या करते हैं? डेकोरेट करते हैं. इज़ देयर एनी स्पेशल वे इन विच यू डेकोरेट योर हाउसेज? व्हेन एंड हाउ? कैसे करते हैं डेकोरेट और कब करते हैं? सो वी डेकोरेट आवर हाउसेज विथ लाइट्स एंड रंगोलीज when there is any functions, any celebrations and festivals. Okay, so all this question answer I will send in your WhatsApp group. फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन राइट इन योर फेयर कॉपी. वहाँ से आपको अपने फेयर कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके, आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स व्हेन एंड हाउ दे डेकोरेट देयर हाउसेज. आपकी फ्रेंड्स से भी पूछना है कि वे अपने घर को कब डेकोरेट करते हैं और कब. नेम द थिंग्स विच यू डेकोरेट योर हाउसेज. सो विच आर द थिंग्स दैट यू आर यूजिंग फॉर डेकोरेट योर हाउसेज. सो जनरली वी आर डेकोरेटिंग आवर हाउसेज विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट्स ना. In festivals, Diwali, we are using lights, rangolis, paintings, flower pots, flowers. Okay, all these things we are using. Okay, next one, this chapter it is finished. So students, chapter number 5 it is finished. All the question answer I will send in your WhatsApp group. आपको अपने WhatsApp ग्रुप से देखकर फेयर कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके, थैंक यू.